Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? Did you enjoy the holidays? Okay, many days we didn't have class, isn't it? So, today we take chapter 16 exercises. Already we learned chapter 16 safety rules. So, I gave one homework also. Do first aid box. How many of you did, children? Okay, anyway, I know some of you have done. Okay, very good. And those who forgot to do or those who did not do, please do it. Okay. So today we start exercises. Page number 86. The first exercise is match the rows. First aid. So from the B part, which is the correct answer, children? First aid. Yes, immediate help. First aid, immediate help. Then second one, cut. Yes, the answer is antiseptic lotion. Cut, antiseptic lotion. And third question, burn. The answer is antiseptic ointment. Antiseptic ointment. Then fourth, fall. Ice cubes. Yes, ice cubes. Then fifth, ambulance. Yes, the answer is dial 102. So if you get, if you want to go somewhere very emergency cases are there, then you have to dial 102. Okay. The next exercise is write T for true or F for false. The first one is we should not put away our toys after playing. We should not put away our toys after playing. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. The next question, we should always run on the stairs. We should always run on the stairs. This also false. We should not run. We should walk very slowly and carefully. Then third, we should never crowd around a person who is hurt. We should never crowd around a person who is hurt. Yes, it is true. Then fourth, in case of a cut, clean the wound with clean water and then apply an antiseptic lotion. In case of a cut, clean the wound with clean water and then apply an antiseptic lotion. Yes, this is also true. Then fifth question, it is important to keep a first aid box ready in school as well as at home. Yes, this is also true. I told you children to have a first aid box at home. That you only should prepare. I told you what are the items should be needed in the first aid box. So all of you do it. Okay. The next exercise is answer the following questions. The first question, write any 3 safety rules that we should follow at home. Write any 3 safety rules that we should follow at home. 3 points we have to write, children. Okay, the first point is we should not play with the harmful things like scissors, blade, knife, etc. So children, when you are at home, don't play with the harmful things. Small children don't take scissors or blade or knife. Okay. The next point, we should not touch electrical things with wet hands like an oven or an iron box, etc. Then third point, we should always put away our toys after playing. So these 3 points, remember children. Okay. The next question. What is first aid? Give 2 important first aid rules. What is first aid? Give 2 important first aid rules. So, what is first aid? The immediate help given to an injured person is known as first aid. See, the immediate help. See, when any person get any injury or any hurt, whatever may be, the help given to that person immediately at time, that is known as first aid. The important first aid rules are. So, what are the rules? The first one is never crowd around a person. So, when any person gets any injury or hurt, don't crowd. So we can see in the school, many, suppose somebody fall, all will come and gather there. So, that we should avoid. The next, call an elder or a doctor. Suppose only children are there, then at once you have to go and call any elder person or a doctor. The next question, name a few important things that a first aid box should have. Name a few important things that a first aid box should have. So what are the things should be there in the first aid box? Antiseptic ointment, bandage, cotton, scissors, band-aid, antiseptic lotion, crepe bandage, etc. All these are the important things that a first aid box should have. See, with all these things, you can make a first aid box. Those who still did not do. Okay, children. So the next, why is it important to put an antiseptic lotion or ointment on a cut or a wound? Say, think and answer. Why is it important to put an antiseptic lotion or ointment on a cut or a wound? See, why we should apply antiseptic lotion or ointment when we get any cut or a wound. So the important thing is that sometimes that stops the germs from growing and causing an infection. So in order to stop the infection, we apply antiseptic lotion or ointment. Okay, children, and also it will heal the wound. So, two things are there. In order to heal the wound and also in order to avoid infection, we use antiseptic lotion or ointment. Okay. So all these things, learn children, write the notes. I will send you the notes. Okay. The next page also we can take today. Problem solving and life skills. Unit 3. Page number 88. So 3 chapters are here, 14, 15 and 16. The first question, what is the boy wearing? So here 2 people are there. Is it? So what is the boy wearing? Choices are a uniform or a costume. So your answer is uniform, isn't it? The boy is wearing a uniform. Then second question, what is the girl wearing? A costume or a uniform? Yes, that girl is wearing a costume. Yes, children. Then third question, what are the children wearing to cover their feet? See, both children. You see, look at the picture. You can see that. What are the children wearing to cover their feet? Skirt or shoes? Yes, it is shoes. The next question, which of these do we get from animals? Which of these do we get from animals? Four options are there, children. A. Cotton. B. Wool and silk. C. Leather. And D. Both B and C. What is your answer? Yes, here wool and silk we get from animal, and leather also we get from animal. We already learned, isn't it? So your answer will be both B and C. That is D. So option D, both B and C. The next, chapter 15, first question. Which festival is shown in the picture on the right? The one picture is given here. Just that festival is over. So what is that festival, children? Four options are there. Guru Puram, Diwali, Eid, Christmas. Yes, all of you know it is Christmas. The option D, Christmas. Okay, the next question, 2. What kind of a festival is this? Four options are there. Religious, harvest, national, none of these. Yes, your answer is correct. What is the answer? Religious. Yes, this is a religious festival. Then third question. Which place of worship will the family go to? A. Church. B. Temple. C. Gurudwara. D. Mosque. We know Christians go to church, isn't it? So the answer is church. A. Then chapter 16. First question. What has happened to the child sitting under the tree? Four options are there. He is playing. He has got hurt. He is grumbling. Others don't want to play with him. So you look at the picture, children. What happened to him? Yes, we can see that his knee got some injury. Is it a hurt? So your answer is B. He has got hurt. The next question. How can his friends help him? Four options are there. By calling an elder, by giving him first aid, by not crowding around him. All of these. Which is the answer? Yes, the friends can do all of these, isn't it? They can call an elder person, they can give him first aid, and they should not crowd. See, he is sitting alone. So the answer is D, all of these. The next question, what would you use if you had to give him first aid? Four options are there. Antiseptic lotion, cotton, band-aid, all of these. So we already learned when we get any hurt, what we should do? Yeah, we should use antiseptic lotion, isn't it? So your answer is antiseptic lotion. The next question, what do you learn from this? So from this chapter, what we learn? So the thing, first of all, we should have first aid box at home, isn't it? And we should not touch harmful things, isn't it? Whether it is home or in the school or on the road, we should be very careful. Don't play with the harmful things like scissors, knife, iron box, toaster, isn't it? And also when we are in the school, we have to keep always queue and also walk. Don't run and don't push others. And when we are on the road, don't walk in the middle of the road. And also always cross the zebra crossing. So all these things we have to remember and practice. And when we get any hurt, we have to inform other people, isn't it, children? So, and also we have to learn how to use or how to give first aid. That is also very important. So read this chapter many times and learn all the spellings. I will conduct test. Okay, all the spellings, answers, fill in the blank, everything. And after learning, you tell your mother or father to ask questions. And they will ask, when they ask a question, you have to tell the answers. Okay. So, today I will send the notes, children. Today itself, all of you write neatly. Don't allow your parents or anybody to write in your classwork. You yourself should write. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.